So I chose to take the Manufacturing Academy because I worked a lot of jobs and they didn't really lead anywhere. And I've been looking for a career path with long-term growth and stability, and this seemed like a great route to go down. Graduating meant a lot to me. It was a big moment and big step for me to move forward in my life and get a career path that was rewarding and stable. I'm really excited about the opportunity to work in this industry because of all the doors that'll open, whether I wanted to go into programming later on or become a lead or, just become a master CNC technician. It seems like the sky is the limit, and there was a lot of uncertainty before I got into this industry with jobs leading to dead ends and just not really going anywhere. So I'm really excited about it. It's a great opportunity. There's nothing else quite like it. It's free. It's 10 weeks. If you do well and you put in the effort to get where you want to be, then they will be there to support you. And in my experience, I was able to land a job only a month after the Manufacturing Academy and almost going straight into an apprenticeship. So I think it's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. I think that working with AJAC, there was an overwhelming amount of support, and they're one for you to succeed, and that really helps aid in my own personal success for my future, and just very grateful for that opportunity.